Now, it is time to put the layers together. The first step is to take one piece of outer layer. This will be the decorative layer and set it aside for later. The second step is to take the second piece of outer layer, and this is where the blood flows in, and place it flat on the table. Then take all your inner layers, that's 6 pieces, arrange them neatly and place them on top of the outer layer like this. Since this pad is thick, you're going to need pins or big clips like this to hold them in place. The third step is to sew the inner layers onto the outer layer. You can draw sewing guidelines like this to ensure your sewing is nice and neat. Make sure your sewing guide is about 1 finger width apart from the edge of the cloth. You can sew them together using a sewing machine or sewing by hand. After you've completed sewing, it will look like this. If you'd like to learn how to sew by hand, keep watching. Otherwise, skip the next chapter.